Introducing Dental and Spa Nail Salon, your local internet marketing center. Brought to you by limctv.com and myspasuccess.com. Text 213-293-5272. Tonight, you're watching TWD9 Channel 9 Local News at 10.
We all want to look our best, and that begins with the first thing that people notice when they meet you, your smile. And maybe you feel it's too costly, too painful, or maybe too time-consuming to get it fixed. Well, our next guest says that this is not the case when you go to see him. This is Dr. Rogel Carlos, and he is the founder of Chandler Cosmetic and Implant Dentistry, and he's here to tell us how many dental implants have really changed people's lives. Because when you cannot eat and cannot show your pearly whites, it's really tough, isn't it?
It is, Kim, and the challenge that I see with the population is eating. It is one of the last things we get to enjoy, and when I have people coming in with loose dentures, it really is heartbreaking. That's why I got involved with mini implants.
And have you brought a demonstration? Because this really has changed people's lives, just from the blade you were saying.
Right. If you look to the left, you will see a traditional implant drill that I used to have to drill a big hole all the way down to the length of the jaw. The little drill now that I use is called a pilot, and I just go through the outer layer of gum tissue, just enough to place the little implant. The challenge for the big implant was it would take 4 to 6 months for that to heal. Now with the mini implant, we can pretty much place the restoration, either the tooth or the denture, on it the same day, and the patient is already done with the treatment.
You have some before and after photos. You were talking about the testimonials that you hear, and we're going to look at some of those. Share with us some stories.
We can see it is obvious on the left-hand side, this person had a real challenge wearing a traditional partial. Afterwards, we placed mini implants, and she's able to smile and enjoy her life again.
Look at that big old smile. She loves it. Look at this. Wow.
Now this one is pretty obvious. This is kind of a tearful story. Her daughter came in with her, and after we delivered the case, her daughter started crying and said, "I have my mom back. This is my mother." So that is just very rewarding to me. And in this particular patient, you can see not only did she not have any ridges left, she just couldn't eat. On the left-hand side or the right-hand side of the screen, we can see that she is smiling again because she can eat again. Her dentures are stable.
Oh my goodness, you gave me chills after saying that. I got my mom back. People are getting their lives back.
Yes, they are. The biggest thing is so many people think they cannot afford the implants. They can't afford to stabilize their denture. They can't afford to have that tooth replaced that they are missing. So our office is offering complimentary x-rays and consultations just to see what we can do for you.
Well, Dr. Carlos, thank you so much for coming on and showing us this new technology and really helping people get their lives back. If you'd like to book an appointment, call Chandler Cosmetic and Implant Dentistry at text/phone 480-400-7122. That's 480-400-7122. They're also available online at chandlerdentist.net. Their office is in Chandler. That's off Warner and Alma School.
Introducing Dental and Spa Nail Salon, your local internet marketing center. Brought to you by limctv.com and myspasuccess.com. Text 213-293-5272